Stay the course. Now in silence I abide, tossing out the taint of pride, calling in transforming force, holding strong against discourse of negativity and fall, knowing within they are still here, upholding earth, their love so near. Be firm, O man, stay the course.